Papa, can you please, just once, put your phone down and come eat with us? Can you draw a star here, please?
Not now, Meera. Papa's busy. Go ask Mama.
You have your phone. You have your meetings.
Priya, don't be dramatic. Think about the children.
Don't go, Ma. Please.
Raj, come. Sit with us. I made breakfast. Your favorite.
Yes. Confirm the meeting for 9. I don't care about the other party's schedule.
He won't sit, Ma. He never sits.
Aarav.
Yes, I'll be there.
Papa, can you please, just once, put your phone down and come eat with us? Papa, do you not like eating with us?
What is all this, Aarav?
Red crosses. Every time Papa misses something important, I put one. Oh, honey, I know it's
1, 2, 5? 5 this week alone?
my school play, Red Cross. Meera's birthday party, Red Cross. Our Sunday picnic, Red Cross. Dinner Monday, Red Cross. Dinner Wednesday, Red Cross. Ma, does Papa even know the name of my class teacher? Does he know I came first to science test? Does he know Meera's scared of thunder?
Because I know all these things. Because I'm Beta, I know. Beta? Don't you think he has a responsibility towards his children, Ma? Don't you think we deserve more than this?
You all are still up. You haven't slept.
We all were waiting for you. And as always, you are late again.
I'm sorry, work was crazy.
It's always work.
Priya, the merger?
Don't. Don't say merger. Don't say deal. Don't say 1 more minute. I have heard it all. Every single day for 1 year.
I am doing this for this family.
Are you? Because this family, your daughter cried herself to sleep tonight. And you weren't here. You are never here.
What do you want from me, Priya? I am trying to build something.
I want you to eat dinner with your children. I want you to answer the phone when Aarav calls you. I want you to see that your daughter is 5 years old and she is already learning that her father will disappoint her. Is that the lesson you want to teach her?
You're exaggerating.
You don't need us anymore, do you, Raj? You have your phone, you have your meetings, you have your merger worth 1 crore rupees. What do you need us for? I can't believe you would do this.
Please, just let me explain.
Explain? It's too late for that. I'm done.
Priya, what are you doing?
I am going to my mother's house for some time.
What? Why? Because of one argument?
One argument? Raj, we haven't had one argument. We haven't had any conversation at all. When was the last time you asked me how I am? When was the last time you sat beside me and just talked?
Priya, don't be dramatic. Think about the children.
I am thinking about the children. That is all I do. I think about the children when you miss their school events. I think about the children when I explain to them why Papa isn't coming to dinner again. I think about the children when Aarav stops asking is Papa coming because he already knows the answer. He stopped asking, Raj. My 10-year-old boy stopped hoping. And you didn't even notice.
Ma, why do you have a bag? Where are you going? Don't go, Ma. Please. I'll be good. I'll eat all my vegetables. Please don't go.
Baby, this is not because of you. You are perfect. You have done nothing wrong.
What did you do?
Aarav, this is between adults.
She's leaving, Papa, because of you. Look at it. Look at all the red crosses. That is us, Papa. That is our life. Every cross is a time you were not there. Every cross is Meera waiting at the door. Every cross is Ma eating dinner alone. Every cross is me telling my sister, don't worry, Papa is just busy.
I was blind. I was so completely blind.
Papa, is your computer your real child? Because you look at it more than you look at me. Don't you love us?
You were right. About everything. I missed everything that mattered and told myself it was for this family. But I was lying to myself.
I don't want an apology, Raj. I have heard sorry before.
Then what do you want?
I want you to understand what we almost lost. Not to feel bad for one day and then go back.
I want you to actually change. Can you do that? Yes. I promise I'll change. For us.
You smell like the office, Papa.
I know, Beta. I'm sorry. Tell me everything I missed. The science test, your teacher's name, everything. I am not going anywhere.
Okay, Dad. It was fun.
So this science teacher, Mrs. Nair, she really gave you full marks? Tell me what the project was about.
Yeah, Dad, it was about building a simple circuit. I can show you later.
They can wait. This cannot.
Papa! Papa, you came!
Almost ready, just a little more.
It looks so yummy.
It smells wonderful out here.
Here you go.
Me next, please.
I thought working harder was the same as loving harder. It is not. My son counted my mistakes in red ink and didn't say a word for months. I almost lost my family. Not because I was a bad man. I was not cruel. I was not absent by choice. I just forgot to look up. If your child is calling you and you don't answer because of a work call, stop. If your family is at the dinner table and you are on your phone, put it down. My daughter asked me if the computer was my real child. My wife packed a bag. And I was sitting in a meeting thinking I was doing the right thing.